Hey Ken and Karen, how do I make a vegan shepherd's pie?
Sure thing. Let me find
Let us find you a recipe.
you. Okay. Us. The little potato action going on here?
They know that.
Just a little narration here, Karen.
Let's just watch the video.
My favorite, mushrooms.
Too much information.
Just go get someone in trouble, Karen. And there you have it, shepherd's pie.
Thanks guys.
Be sure to follow Snack TV on YouTube for more recipes to come.
Snack TV. Be creative. Be snacktastically creative.